Oh, come on. I'm right here. Okay. All right. We're going to make a right turn, I guess. Oh, Jesus.
For safety, we're recording video, but no audio. Let's cruise. Heading to new destination. We've arrived. Check for bikes and cars as you exit on the sidewalk side. Thanks for riding with Cruise.
Okay, it's kind of a weird message. So we're in Hash Brown. Don't think I've been in this car before. Now we're gonna go down Potrero Hill, and it looks like 16th Street, and then we're actually going through a bit of a spicy part of 16th Street, which goes in front of Safeway. So I'm excited to see how that goes. So far it's very smooth, pretty straightforward street layout, not a lot of other traffic. I think Potrero Hill is known to be one of the places that Cruise originally started driving a lot in, and you can see why they would choose this neighborhood. The only issue is it doesn't connect well to like their existing geofence in Sunset and Richmond. You have to go through some more dense parts of the city. We've got cross traffic on the left. We're gonna let it go first, I guess. It's kind of awkward. Good, it's a pretty smooth way to handle a parking car. We're on 16th Street, kind of over the lane line again. I guess they still haven't fixed the wide turns. It could also, the full city geofence could even be running the same software version as what we saw in the publicly available geofence, but so it could be the exact same code that's driving the two ODDs. we're getting really close to that bus. So this tends to be a pretty busy part of 16th Street. It's not an area where people drive very in a very chill way. So far so good. Right lane change. Oh, no lane change. It keeps on wanting to put on the right blinker. Oh, we are gonna go for this lane change. It's uncontested. Oh, what? So the route is going forward through 16th Street, but we just got in the right turn lane and we're stopping. Oh, now we're getting into the left lane again. Okay, that's pretty awkward. I wonder why it tried to pass that car. And the remote assistance message just showed up on the screen, said your ride is back on track. So I wonder if that was maybe like a bad operator input, or maybe the car just got confused and called for remote assistance. One thing about this expanded geofence is that the roads are significantly bumpier, so I might have to think of another way to mount my camera later. Because I think if we keep the current mount, I'm worried that it's going to shake a lot with this plexiglass not being super well attached and all. Okay, we got a cyclist, went on the sidewalk. Doing a right turn here. So 13 miles an hour. I'm not seeing any reason to be driving this slowly because the speed bump was pretty far away. Okay, and normally this is a pretty tough intersection. We have a pedestrian in the crosswalk. Normally it's a pretty tough intersection for humans because the visibility isn't great and you often have a lot of cross traffic. But today it looks uncontested. One more person crossing the street. No reactions from any of these people. I guess they might be used to driverless cars by now. Oh, a little bit of a nudge. So it's not the smoothest ride, but I think hitting 25 is good, at least. It's reasonable. I slowed to 16 before entering this intersection for some reason. Oh, a little brake tap.
We're arriving soon. Please stay buckled up until we stop and grab all your things.
All right, and we're finding a spot to pull over after this intersection, after this traffic signal. Okay, why are we stopping? Oh, Jesus. That was pretty strange behavior. The oncoming, maybe they were going a bit fast, but it didn't seem like they were, super far out of their lane or anything. That's... all right, and we're pulled over. There's no parking spot, so this seems pretty reasonable.